Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add logo to header on Wix. So let's get started. So in here you can see my header. So my header title or my star name is on the upper side right here and it's on the center. So if you want to add a logo, the first thing you need to do is to just reposition it on the side and then add the logo right here on this part. So in order to do that, what we can do next is to add the logo here. So in order to add the logo, the next thing you can do is just click on Add Elements. So here's Add Elements right here. And then from in there, you should be able to see Image. So click on Image right here. So click on that. Or you can also hover to that specific thing. And in here, you can see the Upload and Import. Click on Upload Images. And then in here, it will open the Wix for gallery wherein you can drag and drop your password here, or you can also open the upload sites that we have on your Wix account right here. So it totally depends on you if you already uploaded it, but since I haven't uploaded it yet, you can just drag and drop a file right here. So I'll just put this specific file on this and I will drop it right here. And once I have dropped it, it will upload in here. So in here, just wait for this right here to finish loading. And when it's finished loading, just click on this one. Then also head over and crop it, edit it before you upload to your page. So let's try to crop and edit it. And then let's pop it. And then save it. And once you have saved it, the next thing you can do is to just select that specific thing that you have cropped. So let's click on this one. Then click on Add Page, and then it will be added to your page like this. So the next thing you can do is to reposition this one, resize it until it reaches the desired size that actually complements our header right here. So in here, as you can see, the logo has been added to our website. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add a logo on header on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.